Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify e-commerce UX with Magento storefront customization. Quick tutorial. Begin by logging into your Magento admin panel. From the dashboard, navigate to the Contents section. Click on the Elements link in the drop-down menu. Select the Pages option to view your current pages. Choose the page you want to customize for the UX test. Click on the Edit button next to the chosen page. In the Page Information section, verify that the layout is correctly set. Check the Design tab to view the current theme applied to the storefront. Use the responsive design view to assess how the page appears on different devices. Ensure the navigation menu is user-friendly and intuitive. Next, review the product display settings. Check the product images for quality and clarity. Confirm that product descriptions are clear and concise. Look for customer reviews functionality and ensure it's easily accessible. Test the search feature for speed and accuracy. Use the Add to Cart button to verify its functionality. Proceed to view the checkout process for ease of use. Identify any potential points of friction during checkout. Observe the mobile experience across various devices. Utilize testing tools to gather user feedback. Analyze data from user interactions and make necessary adjustments. Plan a follow-up session to verify any changes implemented. Finally, document all observations for future reference and improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.